Welcome to this course, Cybersecurity Fundamentals Building a Strong Foundation. So this course is totally free and we do have 6 modules to discuss in this whole course. So module 1, Introduction to Cybersecurity, in which we will be learning about understanding cybersecurity, importance of cybersecurity, cyber threat landscape. Module second, that is core cybersecurity concept. In this, we will be learning about CIA and then defense in depth, threat vulnerabilities and risk. Module 3, which is related to security policies and procedure. And in this, we will be learning about developing security policies, user awareness training, and incident response and reporting. Module 4 contains network security. In this, we'll be learning about network security fundamentals, firewalls and IDS, and also IPS. Firewall, wireless network security. These are the 3 things which we will be learning in network security. Module 5th is security technologies, and in this, encryption and cryptography, antivirus, anti-malware, access control, and authentication will be discussing. And at the last, module 6, which is emerging trends and best practices. So in this, we will be discussing about cloud security, Internet of Things, that is IoT, and cybersecurity best practices. You can join us freely. We are available on GitHub, YouTube. So you can go on YouTube and you can search Cyber Community. You can follow us on Telegram channel, LinkedIn, Instagram, and WhatsApp channel. So generally, we give the updates and we give the solution on Telegram channel and WhatsApp.